cauchemar de tout docteur, c'est de tuer son patient. La maladie du sommeil, ça fait peur. Parce que la maladie du sommeil, vous voyez ces signes d'agressivité. Vous avez les signes de quelqu'un qui devient fou. La maladie du sommeil ou la trypanosomiase humaine africaine, c'est une maladie infectieuse parasitaire parce qu'elle est transmise par la mouche tsetse.
The fly injects a parasite that circulates, goes into the blood, the lymph nodes, and later on will go in the central nervous system. And then eventually, if they don't have treatment, they will fall into a coma and die.
The last decades of the 20th century have been very productive in terms of new treatment, but nothing happened for those very neglected populations. Personally, when I was working with MSF during the 80s and 90s, I was confronted to a situation that was particularly dramatic because the only treatment available to treat sleeping sickness was melarsoprol, an arsenic derivative, killing 1 out of 20 of patients because of toxicity.
It was described by patients as fire in the veins.
Dans mes prières, j'ai dit, Dieu, est-ce qu'il n'y a pas moyen d'éclairer ces chercheurs pour qu'ils trouvent un médicament facile à prendre pour soigner ces gens qui meurent, ne fût-ce qu'un comprimé.
The first step has been to improve the situation with a combination of nifurtimox and eflornithine called NECT.
So this is NECT, and all this is for one patient.
Le NECT, c'est un bon médicament, et très efficace, et qui guérit plus facilement. Mais c'est la logistique qui est lourde, parce que c'est fait, il faut transporter ces cartons et l'amener dans le milieu où il y a des malades. Souvent, ils sont dans des forêts, ils sont dans des villages.
This treatment is available only for the second stage of the disease, so you need to go through a very difficult and painful lumbar puncture that every patient needs to be confronted with.
Ceux qui viennent à l'hôpital, on est obligé de les garder parce qu'on doit contrôler la perfusion. Ça doit se donner en intraveineuse.
And the consequence is we wanted to have an oral treatment to treat all the stages of the disease. So we started our research on this field with a basis that one class of drugs, nitronidazole, was having an effect on this sort of parasite. So we have organized a data mining of all the different compounds of nitronidazole coming from university, coming from pharmaceutical company. One presented the characteristic of what we were looking for, a molecule that was called fexinidazole, and it was developed during the 80s and abandoned because of lack of interest of developing a product for parasitology.
Sanofi had the molecule, but we partnered with DNDi, who brought their experience from preclinical research and being able to do the clinical trials in these very difficult to reach areas.
We started the study in 2012 in DRC and Central African Republic. It was incredible to have to think about how you would do sophisticated clinical research in an unsophisticated setting.
La RDC est un grand pays et la logistique elle est lourde.
There was poor infrastructure, lack of scientific lab equipment, no one trained on doing clinical research, and the political instability in these regions. To overcome these challenges, we had to bring electricity. We had to bring microscopes. We also brought some technology like internet and satellites to make sure we would have the connection. We did training of 200 people in good clinical practice, in pharmacovigilance, to make sure that they could comply with what is needed to have a new drug registered according to international standards. We supported the national programs with CARS. with boats, to go and look for patients. We work with the best teams, those that know how to diagnose these patients, those that are treating these patients.
Abanye oyoka soon. Pana na belaki, nakomaki makasi, nalamba, nakenda zamba, nalamba kitoko pe na bana nanga toza bien. Tata ilo te makasi na nzo.
Patients can be treated much closer to where they live.
On a confiance aux patients et c'est bien.
We're on the path to elimination of sleeping sickness.
It's not utopia anymore to be able to do this incredible research in these incredible conditions.
If we bring the right partner together, we can achieve the best science for a very neglected population.
Le fait que c'est d'abord, il rejoint mon rêve. C'est merveilleux. C'est merveilleux.